Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video I will show you a simple trick how you can convert multiple images or photos, for instance in JPEG or PNG format, into one PDF file like we see in that example PDF file here. We see one photo, then another one and all of that in one PDF file. So how can you do that? Well, let me show you. It is actually mind-blowingly simple. Open up your web browser, like for example Google Chrome, and head over to a website called ilovepdf.com. You don't need to sign up, guys. There are no membership or subscription fees to pay. You can use this converter free of charge, for example, to convert JPEG files into PDF files. So scroll down to see that section here, JPEG to PDF, click on it, and on the next page, click on that button here, select JPEG images to upload your JPEG or PNG images or photos from your computer. Alternatively, you may source your images or photos, for example, from your Dropbox or Google Drive by clicking on these icons here, and on the next page make some minor adjustments here in these options to the right. Like for example, you can choose between a page orientation like that, a portrait orientation, and a landscape orientation. I will leave it at portrait. Below that, select the page size and make sure, guys, that this option here is selected. Merge all images in one PDF file. So click on it or select it, and finally and eventually click on convert to PDF here in the bottom right corner. Wait for a second, and there you go. Your images have been converted into PDF. So click on that button below, download PDF, to save your images in PDF format on your computer. And now, just to prove to you guys that this indeed has worked, let me open my images in PDF format really quickly. There you go. So as you can see, it does indeed work. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a great day.